Hi, I'm Laura Rogers, and I'm thrilled to invite you to my full-day workshop. It's called Mastering Power Automate: From Requirements Gathering to Building Efficient Flows at TechCon in Atlanta this August. So whether you're new to Power Automate or a seasoned user, I'll walk you through the essentials of creating impactful flows, and we'll throw in some Copilot to help with the automation. We'll cover how to gather detailed requirements, design efficient flows, and then deploy solutions that streamline your business. We'll also be leveraging other apps and services like SharePoint and Teams. By the end of the day, you'll gain the strategic know-how and confidence to transform your organization's processes and drive efficiency with automation. So join me at TechCon to unlock the full potential of Power Automate and elevate your business. Sign up now at TechCon365.com. I can't wait to see you there.